Same-sex marriage. Hey, we've talked about that a number of times on this legal video blog. Well, it continues to challenge the courts. And that's what brings us to this week's case. It's a case that arose in Texas. And there we had a couple. Same sex, they went up to Massachusetts, they got married. Went back to Texas, they're living there, but it did not go happily ever after. Things not going well, they said, you know what, we're going to basically take this apart, and they filed for divorce. Filed for divorce in a Texas court. Texas court said, guys, we cannot hear your case. We can't hear your case because Texas does not recognize same-sex marriages. Therefore, since we don't recognize them, we can't give you guys a divorce. They said, hey, this can't be. This can't be. So they appealed it, and it went up to the Texas State Court of Appeals. At the Texas State Court of Appeals, the court carefully looked at the issue again and said, look, in Texas, it's pretty simple. Texas recognizes marriage as being an institution between one man and one woman. It does not recognize union between two people of the same sex. Because we don't recognize that union, it just doesn't exist here, we can't give you a divorce. All right, guys, that's just the way it is, so guess what? You're out of luck. That's it. That was the decision. And that is where it ended. We can see now that the problem that exists is that in the United States, currently, not all states recognize same-sex marriage. And there are all kinds of problems that are arising. Here's an example of a couple that wanted a divorce, couldn't get it. Problems arise when it comes to child custody. Problems arise with regard to inheritance. If the institution of marriage is considered to be just between a man and a woman in the state where the party is living who got a marriage in a state that recognized same-sex marriage, what can they do? And in many instances, they can't do anything. Well, we bring you this news, be it good or bad, because we just tell you the way the law works. And we bring you these cases every week, so you understand how you can make the law work for you. I'm David Allen.